I don't like using paper map. I think it's very static, and using a paper map is very complicated. Whenever I need to use any map at that time, I just open my Android mobile, and then there is a app which is called Google Map. I try to use this because it's very convenient, and Google by using different type of sensor and by using satellite, Google can easily detect my location. So whenever I need to go from one place to another place, I just select that place, and then Google, they try to detect the location, and they try to direct me that by which way I can go there. And another one thing is nowadays Google Map is very dynamic, and it can do several types of things, like if there is any traffic jam at that time, Google Map they can also detect this. And whenever we face any traffic jam at that time, the Google Map, they try to provide me the alternative option. So by using the alternative path, we can actually spend our time effectively by using this map. And another one thing is whenever for the first time I arrived in Comilla city for my higher education, at that time I was not known about the structure of Comilla city. At that time, what I done, I just opened my mobile and try to search the location, and then I after researching for a certain amount of time, then I could realize the location of different type of structure and different area of our Comilla city. And whenever I try to go any new place, at that time I try to use this because I can easily find out the famous tourist spot, popular tourist spot, and different type of historical structure or such type of things by using that app. So it's very convenient and very user friendly. Like whenever I go from one place to another place, at that time it's not possible that each and every time I wear this paper map. But whenever I go from one place to another place, every time I take my mobile phone, and by using this mobile phone I can easily find out the location. I can easily do whatever I want. So that's a simple video I just want to share with you. I think you will forgive my mistake, as I am now in development phase. So thank you for watching this video. I appreciate that you are watching my videos, and I wish you a best of luck.